was hoping I could make cheese out of this. Ooh, you hear that? Surprisingly, it don't smell real terribly bad. Hell, I ain't got nothing else better to do. I think it's already made. Huh. You're gonna get sick once, huh? You know, I'm not real sure, but I think what we got here is this milk has done turned into cottage cheese. All by itself. Ain't that something? I think my mama would be proud of me. She used to make her own cottage cheese. And the goal for 2026, the late 20s, you might say, is to eat healthier. Pepper and a little salt. I believe I'm gonna do this. It's cottage cheese. I'll be damned. I can't believe this. That's actually really good. It's just, oh my. It's a lot better than what you buy in the store, to be honest with you. I ain't believing this. Well, what was going to be about a $2.50 loss? I mean, because that jug of milk, half that jug of milk is $2.50. I mean, it wasn't half, but it was about there. Turned into a $4.50 gain because I'm making something tomorrow that I can use that in. Now I'm gonna put this lid on here, and it may blow up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that lid cracked just a little bit so it can leak air out. Another science experiment.